Hey guys, once again welcome you all in this particular video. So today we'll talk about the St. Xavier's 2021 with respect to the two programs, the BMS and the BMCG. So guys, watch this video till the end because we'll talk about step-by-step form filling process with respect to the BMS and the BMCG. So if you wanna enter into the St. Xavier's, wanna enter into this beautiful campus, guys, you have to crack the St. Xavier's entrance test. So form filling process is already started. Dates are out and your exam will be held from in between 10th and 20th of August. So guys, watch this video till the end because we don't want to repeat any mistake in the application form filling. So before moving further, guys, if you want to crack the St. Xavier's entrance test, want to pursue the BMS and PMM, you can join our crash course programs, okay, where you can interact live with us. You will receive ebooks, you will learn very shortcut tricks, all doubts will be solved, you will get access for the recorded videos, topic tests, full length mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made where you can share all your doubts. You will solve around 5,000 plus questions and you will also get the mentorship. So guys, if you want to prepare for IPM and any other BBA entrance exams and the St. Xavier's entrance test, guys, you can enroll with us. If you want a preparation for 2022 and 23, you can also interact with us. So book your seat, call on 8828581145 or you can visit our website manualdu.com/BBA entrance. So let's move to the official website and let's start the step-by-step form filling process. So now we are on official website of St. Xavier. Now here it is mentioned the entrance test and admission process for BMCG earlier, which was known as BMM, BMS and BSc IT. So guys, if you want to pursue this particular course, online application form, okay, you can click on online application form. But before go to the information brochure with respect to all these courses, okay, so just click on BMCG, okay. Now here we will find the respective PDF with respect to all the important points, guys, eligibility criteria, what will be the paper pattern, syllabus and everything. So schedule of 2021 entrance test, it will be online video proctor test only, okay. The dates are given here, all the basis for admission for 2021, okay, 60% weightage to score obtained in online test, 40% weightage for your class 12. So go to all these informations. This is about the paper pattern. So go to all this information first and then start your form filling process. Okay, so let's start the form filling process. Click on online application form. Now read all these important guidelines, okay, and then if you belong to PIO, OCI, okay, and NRI foreign candidate, select yes or no accordingly and apply. Now before starting to the application form of St. Xavier's, guys, you have to register in the Mumbai University. So that's why register on this particular website, okay. Open it, so you will get your application number here and enter that application number over here. So let's see how to generate the university application number. Click here for Mumbai University pre-admission online registration 2020-21, okay. If you are already a Mumbai University student, guys, आपके पास PRN number होगा and that will be mentioned on your mark sheet. So enter that PRN number, or otherwise if you are a student of some other universities, guys, you have to generate your PRN number. So that's why, okay, register first, enter your name, last name, father's name, okay, mother's name, date of birth, gender, mobile number and email ID and accept. Okay, so follow all this procedure to get the university application number, and that application number you have to fill over here. Okay, now 12th standard stream, okay, arts without maths or maths you can select here. Okay, program applied for. Now which one, BSc IT, BMM or the BMS, okay, so select accordingly. Now enter your name, surname, first name, nationality, okay, domicile state, date of birth, name as in 12th standard mark sheet. Now guys, you have to write your name according to the 12th mark sheet, okay. So many of the students have name like surname first, then your name and then father's name, okay. So you can write जैसा भी आपके 12th स्टैंडर्ड के मार्कशीट पे लिखा हुआ है वैसा ही आपको यहाँ लिखना. ऑल दोस कैंडिडेट वो अपीयरिंग फॉर द 12th स्टैंडर्ड्स 10th स्टैंडर्ड के मार्कशीट पे जैसा भी आपका नाम लिखा है वैसा आपको मेंशन कर देना. सेलेक्ट मदर टंग, ब्लड ग्रुप, रिलीजन, okay. Now application category, there are only two categories, general and the Christian minority. So you have to select the general category here. If you comes under the Christian minority, then you can select the Christian minority there. Special category, if you comes from the defense, ex-serviceman, physically handicapped candidate, okay, then you can select accordingly. Now email ID and mobile number, this should not be changed till your admission process, okay guys. So make sure आप वही नंबर दो जो नंबर चालू रहे और जब तक एडमिशन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट ना हो, आप उस नंबर को चेंज ना कर सके. क्लिक over here and save and proceed. And it says the contact numbers are not to be same. Okay, so parent ka number and your active number. Okay, now click over here and save and proceed. Now this is my application number, so I have to remember this particular number, so write down this. Okay, it will be useful for future use. Now you have to choose your particular photo and there should be no space in the name of that particular picture. Choose file, it should be less than 100 KB. Okay guys, now Aadhaar number and upload Aadhaar copy in PDF format. Okay, upload done successfully. Now save and proceed. Now here we start the actual application process. Father's name, father's address, telephone number, mobile number, email ID, qualification, occupation. Fill all these details. Legal guardian name, legal guardian's address or telephone number. Okay, now family income. So tick on particular box whatever your family income is. Okay, were your parents former student of St. Xavier's College of Mumbai or not? Okay, select accordingly and then save and proceed. Now local address, pin code, state, telephone number, your mobile number and nearest station, address of official communication. Okay, save and proceed. Now fill the academic details here. So all those जिनको star mark किया गया है guys, these all are the mandatory fields. बाकी आप अगर fill नहीं करोगे that will be okay. Now select exam board, year of passing, certificate number, 10th passing certificate number. Okay, now it is not mandatory. अगर आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है, don't fill it. Seat number already mentioned over the mark sheet. If seat number mentioned नहीं है, then it will be mentioned as a roll number. Okay guys. Now school name, marks obtained, out of marks. Now 11th standard, stream arts, commerce or science, choose. Year of passing, again college name, marks obtained and out of marks. Now 12th standard. Now place of birth within Mumbai or outside Mumbai. So select accordingly. Certificate number, seat number, the college name and the number of attempts. Okay. Now if your 12th standard result have only grades, then please convert it to marks only. Enter marks of all subjects and नॉट बेस्ट ऑफ 5 और 6. ओके, जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स है सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के आपको मार्क्स एंटर करने के. ओके गाइस, नाउ 12th स्टैंडर्ड मार्क्स. नाउ राइट नाउ इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी बिकॉज इफ यू आर अपीयरिंग स्टूडेंट देन आपके पास 12th की मार्कशीट नहीं है, देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली सबमिट लेटर ऑन ड्यूरिंग द एडमिशन प्रोसेस. यू कैन सबमिट योर 12th मार्कशीट ओवर देयर. Okay, right now it is not in the mandatory field, so you can select save and proceed. Now if you have the 12th marksheet, then सारे सब्जेक्ट्स और उनके रिस्पेक्टिव मार्क्स आपको एंटर करने हैं. मार्क्स ऑब्टेन एंड आउट ऑफ मार्क्स. ओके, देन टोटल, देन परसेंटेज and again you have to upload your 12th mark sheet over here in the PDF format. Okay guys, now save and proceed. Now the course details. So selected course name is the first year Bachelor of Management Studies BMS. Now select course combination, so Management Studies. Okay, these all are in the semester 1 and these all are in the semester 2. Okay, save and proceed. Now it says we will now proceed to the payment gate, which you will have to pay 2,500 rupees towards online application registration charges. Kindly keep valid credit debit card ready. Okay, do not press back button henceforth. Okay, now proceed to the payment. Now guys, it is just simple. Add your card number, expiry date, CVV, year, card holder name and make your payment. So the application process completes here. Okay guys, so you have to remember all those things. जहां भी रेड मार्क किया गया है guys, all these fields are mandatory. If you pass 12th standard, सारे सब्जेक्ट्स आपको लिखने हैं. इवन आपने कुछ स्पेशलाइज्ड सब्जेक्ट चूज किया हो as per your 12th मार्कशीट, जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, not top 5, not top 6. Okay, remember that field and you have to fill all those fields. आपके पेरेंट्स का मोबाइल नंबर डिफरेंट होना चाहिए आपके मोबाइल नंबर से. Okay guys, so ये कुछ बातें हैं जो आपको जाननी जरूरी है. And second thing, if you not registered in this particular video, I am not registered in the University of Mumbai. So what I will do after cracking the St. Xavier entrance test, when I will get the admission into the St. Xavier's Mumbai, then before that I have to go to the University of Mumbai और मुझे वहाँ register करना पड़ेगा. And then also I will get the PRN number because I am the registered candidate in the University of Mumbai. So now you can also register for the Mumbai University. उसका link already website पर दिया गया है. So you can click on that particular link and register yourself in the Mumbai University. जो भी university application number होगा, fill on the St. Xavier's application form number. Okay guys, so this is all about the today's video, the step-by-step form filling process for the St. Xavier's entrance test. Now guys, if you want a preparation material, you can call on 8828581455 or you can also call on all these respective numbers. For all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram. So guys, all link are mentioned in the description. Kindly check those links and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Manova BBA Entrance, specific to the BBA Entrance exams only. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts and queries, ask me in the below comment section and we'll try to answer all of your queries. So guys, this is all the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.